This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the JBL and removing any external grill or case. This prevents shorting. Have a clear workspace, anti-static mat, and 90% plus isopropyl ready. First actionable move, use a magnifier and compressed air to inspect the port for debris or bent pins. Once you see corrosion or a broken pin, stop trying to charge. Make sure to photograph connector orientation. Those images will guide reassembly and prevent polarity mistakes later. You now open the speaker, remove screws, gently pry clips, and lift the PCB to expose the USB/C charging port. Once exposed, disconnect the battery to eliminate risk. Inspect the port pads and surrounding traces. Corrosion, lifted pads, or loose pins indicate replacement is required. Clean with isopropyl and a soft brush so you can clearly see damage. If solder joints are cracked, reflowing rarely fixes mechanical failures, so prepare to desolder the old port and fit the replacement precisely. You desolder the damaged port using flux and a temperature-controlled iron, remove it, then clean pads with wick and isopropyl. Position the new port, tack solder anchor pins, and solder each pad solidly. Mechanical stability matters as much as electrical contact. Once soldered, reconnect the battery, reassemble the speaker, and test with a verified cable and charger. If charging fails, use a multimeter to check continuity and battery voltage. That troubleshooting step usually reveals whether the port, cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.